Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Mela, and for today I will be cooking stew for dinner. So I have prepared chicken already. So I will boil the chicken first because I'm using a native chicken. So as we all know, it will take time to cook the native chicken, and then I prepared some of the ingredients. We start boiling the chicken. I washed the chicken already, so let me start adding the ingredients. So this is onion, ginger, and also I'm using a garlic powder because I don't have the fresh one. Next is black pepper. I will put some few of it. Next is rosemary. And some curry powder. I don't have the bay leaves, so yeah, just manage it. So you just need to mix it all together. Don't put any water. The chicken will bring out some water once it's boiled. So this one, the chicken will be absorbing all the spices, herbs and spices that we put. And yeah, this one, the chicken will be tasty. You can put later the water after the first boil. So that water will be used to make the chicken soft. Yeah, make the chicken soft. So I put a lot of chili because my husband always complain if it's not spicy. He don't like just spicy. He wants something to be biting him. So this one is okay. Chili. You know chili these days are expensive, and this one you chop all chili already. So this is the first boil, then you can now add the water. Chop the other ingredients, so it will be fast when you put it in the blender. So now it's time to fry. So I will put also some tomato paste to make it a bit more red. Yes, some people they don't put, but me I put. Yeah, we have different ways in cooking. So this is how I cook. So with our chicken, we don't really fry our chicken, since my husband said that the stew, we fried the stew already, so he don't want to be like, maybe he don't want to be eating like too much oil already. So he just said that, cook it like that. Okay, so we're almost done with frying the stew. As you can see, I have a lot of oil already. I'll add some fish, and don't ever turn the chicken and fish so it won't scatter. So this is lemon basil. They call it curry leaves in Nigeria. So see this poor thing, don't even allow it to grow. So my husband wants to put me this one because he likes the smell of the basil. The other people don't put this one, so yeah, this is the request of my hubby, so I put it. So now you need to remove the fish because you will put the chicken and the stew already. So you will put back the fish later. Like I said earlier, my husband don't want it to be fried, so I just cook it like this. Yeah, I just add the chicken to the stew. So he prefer eating like that, not fried, since he said that have a lot of oil already from the stew. So he said, yeah, no need to fry it. So I added the fish. Just put it like that though. No need to be turning it so the fish won't scatter. Yeah, so I just put it and then boil it for some time to absorb the fish will absorb the stew, taste of the stew. I added some dried bay leaves since the fresh one is not enough. So it would be nice if it's many, like fresh basil, but yeah, we don't have it. So this one will do. Baby! Food is ready and I'm just waiting for it to come. Yeah, they're still upstairs, but I called them already. So the food of my baby is this one. So me, now you're walking, so now you can celebrate your birthday. Papa said no, no first birthday celebration. So this one, your own is porridge. Is it small? Let me, I'm trying to feed you.
I need video doing feeding him also.
Just small now. Have juice.
You buy juice.
That normal juice now. So me.
Why did they use his spoon?
No, I can't find the one
When he was playing with that.
last night.
He said you can't find.
I put chicken and fish, but the small chicken.
What do you mean small chicken?
The small chicken now.
No,
I mean small slice
for who?
for us now.